to this video. I started off with her hair. Well, I parted and braided her hair off camera. I did 3 parts just because I feel like that looks really great with a knotless, but not knotless, butterfly locks. To do my butterfly locks, I start with my crochet needle. The hair I'm using, it's like a kinky curly hair. I'm not sure the name of it, so I'm just gonna pull it halfway through her head, through the part I meant, just enough to cover her hair, and then the other side I'm gonna wrap with. I'm gonna do the butterfly lock using the thumb method. So at the root I wrapped 3 or 4 times, or just enough, until I know that I have a good grip on there. And you're just gonna see me stick my thumb through it to give it the butterfly effect. The hair kept getting stuck around my arm. Now to secure the ends, I'm just gonna I'm gonna wrap up and I'm gonna wrap down. I'm sure I'm gonna show it later on, but that's just gonna help me secure the ends. As I'm wrapping up and down, I'm also tying a knot. That's gonna help the hair stay and not go nowhere. Alright, so I went ahead and finished most of the back off camera, and this is what it's looking like right now. Alright guys, here is a somewhat close view of what I am doing, which is just inserting the needle through her braid, and I'm just gonna slide the synthetic hair through. Not all the way through, just halfway, and I'm gonna begin wrapping. At the root, I wrap it 3 or 4 times just to make sure it's tight, and then as I get away from the scalp, I start wrapping loosely. And I'm just gonna put my finger through it so I can get that butterfly look to it. To secure the ends again, I just wrap up, then I wrap back down, I tie a knot, I wrap back up, and I wrap back down. And it's just gonna and it's just gonna stay when you do that instead of using glue. I'm just repeating the same technique over here. And I promise I'm not pulling hard, it's just that kinky hair is something else. Oh, by the way, y'all, when one side gets kinky, I just bar it from the other side, and then I just keep on wrapping. I just keep repeating that same process. And if it gets really skinny, I just pick up a random piece of hair and I wrap over it. Okay, y'all, I finally made it to the front of her hair. Well, I just skipped through most of the video because it wasn't really because I was blocking it most of the time, but the clips that they come out good, I did try and get them in there. But the whole time this girl is making me laugh. She's just so funny. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and finish this off camera, and I'll be right back with the final look. Alright, y'all, this is the final look. She looks so cute with her little two buns. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.